Today we got a Traxxas Ford GT to unbox. So right out of the box, you get right to your controller, and right behind that, you get the car. Right out of the box, you get this nice Traxxas Ford GT body. This body looks great. I absolutely love it. Now let's look to see what's underneath the body. To power the Traxxas Ford GT, you get the Titan 12-turn 550 CAN power motor and the XL5 ESC. This whole system is waterproof. With this, you get the TQI Traxxas receiver and transmitter. This vehicle also comes with TSM, 2 front wheels. You have the Traxxas part number 2075 steering servo. Your batteries, you have this nice pin-free changeable battery compartment where you can put your batteries. Now, at the front, you do have a foam bumper, body mounts, and you also have steel drive shafts, differential, and aluminum center drive. You have non-adjustable shocks, same with the front, steel drive shafts, these cool brakes, and these really grippy tires. The Traxxas Ford GT comes with the Traxxas standard TQI transmitter. It is 24 gigahertz, has 2 knobs. The multifunction knob is to adjust the TSM, and then you have a steering trim. You have 2 throttle positions, a menu, and a set button. Now, you do need 4 AA batteries in here to make it Ford GT. In the giant bag of extra stuff, you get extra pins, a higher speed racing gear, heavy duty tools that includes a T-wrench and 2 Allen wrenches, adjustable body mounts, things to soften or toughen your suspension. You get 2 of those, a manual, things to register your with their batteries and chargers that you get for this vehicle, minus the 3-cell. Now this tells you about the wireless module and the Traxxas Link. I will be running the Traxxas Ford GT on 2-cell. So I got the battery starter pack, which the starter pack comes with two cells, 25C, 7600 mAh, 2-cell batteries, and a dual peak charger. So, let's go take the Traxxas Ford GT out for its first run.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like. Let's try to hit 100 likes on this video. That would be amazing. If you are not yet subscribed to RC Studios, you should smash that red subscribe button. That would be great. And while you're at it, can you click that bell? That would be amazing. Well, that's all for today. Goodbye now.